Tell the truth, or at least don't lie. You can use words to manipulate the world into delivering what you want. It's what everyone does when they want something and decide to falsify themselves to please and flatter. To conduct life like this is to become possessed by some ill-formed desire and then to craft speech and action in a manner that appears likely rationally to bring about that end. If you will not reveal yourself to others, you cannot reveal yourself to yourself. That does not only mean that you suppress who you are, although it also means that. It means that so much of what you could be will never be forced by necessity to come forward. This is a biological truth as well as a conceptual truth. If you betray yourself, if you say untrue things, if you act out a lie, you weaken your character. If you have a weak character, then adversity will mow you down when it appears, as it will inevitably. You will hide, but there will be no place left to hide. And then you will find yourself doing terrible things. Only the most cynical, hopeless philosophy insists that reality could be improved through falsification. Such a philosophy judges being and becoming alike and deems them flawed. It's not vision, it is instead willful blindness. It's the worst sort of lie. It's subtle. It avails itself of easy rationalizations. Willful blindness is the refusal to know something that could be known. This is not because of rationality itself as a process. That process can produce clarity and progress. It is because rationality is subject to the single worst temptation, to raise what it knows now to the status of an absolute. It is deceit that makes people miserable beyond what they can bear. It is deceit that fills human souls with resentment and vengefulness. It is deceit that produces the terrible suffering of mankind. What happens if instead we decide to stop lying? What does this even mean? We are limited in our knowledge after all. We must make decisions here and now, even though the best means and the best goals can never be discerned with certainty. An aim and ambition provide the structure necessary for action. An aim provides a destination, a point of contrast against the present, and a framework within which all things can be evaluated. It is our responsibility to see what is before our eyes, courageously, and to learn from it, even if it seems horrible, even if the horror of seeing it damages our consciousness and half blinds us. As you continue to live in accordance with the truth, as it reveals itself to you, you will have to accept and deal with the conflict that mode of being will generate. If you do so, you will continue to mature and become more responsible. Apprehend your personal truths, communicate it carefully in an articulate manner to yourself and others. This will ensure your security and your life more abundantly now, while you inhabit the structure of your current beliefs. If your life is not what it could be, try telling the truth. If you cling desperately to an ideology or wallow in nihilism, try telling the truth. If you feel weak and rejected and desperate and confused, try telling the truth.